Before you start promoting your documentary, get specific about who you want to reach. Go beyond documentary fans. Think about the communities, interests, or professions connected to your subject. The more clearly you define your audience, the easier it is to create content that truly resonates. People love seeing what happens behind the scenes. Share production challenges, interviews with your team, location stories, and research discoveries. Give potential viewers a glimpse into your process. Tease just enough to spark curiosity, but save the big reveals for your premiere. Choose social media platforms where your audience already spends time. Post short clips, memorable quotes, and behind-the-scenes updates. Consistency matters more than frequency. Respond to comments and encourage conversations about your film's subject. When people feel included, they are more likely to support your project. Start an email list before your premiere. Offer exclusive updates or early access to trailers as an incentive. Email gives you a reliable way to reach your audience, even if social media algorithms change. Partner with relevant communities, creators, or organizations. Build relationships early and look for authentic ways to collaborate. As your premiere approaches, launch a campaign with a clear call to action so your audience is ready and excited to watch.